Canopy. Class 2. Mathematics. Lesson 2. Addition and subtraction of two-digit numbers. Hello children. Let us learn this chapter by beginning with properties of addition. Now have a look at these additions. In the first one, you can see that 8 plus 2 equals 10. In the second one, you can see that 2 plus 8 equals 10. From this property, we learn that the order in which we add two numbers does not change the total. For instance, if 8 plus 5 equals 13, then 5 plus 8 also equals 13. From this property, we learn that it does not matter in which order we add numbers. The answer is always the same. Addition of two-digit numbers. There are 24 pencils in a box. 35 more pencils are put in the box. How many pencils are there in the box now? Step 1. Add the numbers in the ones place. 4 ones plus 5 ones equals 9 ones. Write 9 in the ones column. Step 2. Add the tens. 2 tens plus 3 tens equals 5 tens. Write 5 in the tens column. You have 5 tens and 9 ones, which means 24 plus 35 equals 59. Addition of three numbers. Sometimes you may have to add more than two numbers. Remember the rule, the order in which you add does not matter. For example, there are 15 sweets, 32 sweets and 21 sweets. Now what is the number of sweets in total? Step 1. Add the ones. 5 ones plus 2 ones plus 1 one equals 8 ones. Write 8 in the ones column. Step 2. Add the tens. 1 ten plus 3 tens plus 2 tens equals 6 tens. Write 6 in the tens column. You have 6 tens and 8 ones, so the answer is 68. Subtraction of two-digit numbers. Susan had 24 sweets. She gave 12 sweets to her sister. How many sweets are left with her? Let us find out. The number of sweets Susan had equals 24. The number of sweets she gave to her sister equals 12. The number of sweets she has left with her equals 24 minus 12. And the answer is 12. Checking subtraction with addition. So children, whenever you subtract a number from another, you can always check if the answer is correct or not using addition. Malini has 10 sweets. She gave 4 sweets to Salma. The number of sweets left with Malini is 10 minus 4, which equals 6. Let's check if the answer is correct. The number of sweets Malini and Salma together have is 6 plus 4, which equals 10. So you can see that if 10 minus 4 equals 6, then 6 plus 4 equals 10. Addition with regrouping. To add the numbers 58 and 27, start by adding the ones. 8 ones plus 7 ones equals 15 ones, which is written as 110 plus 5 ones. Write 5 in the ones column and carry 110 to the tens column. Step 2. Now add the tens. 5 tens plus 2 tens equals 7 tens. Don't forget to add the 110 you had carried. 7 tens plus 110 equals 8 tens. Now write 8 in the tens column. The answer is 85. Subtraction with regrouping. To deduct 57 from 95, The first step is to subtract the ones. You cannot take away 7 ones from 5 ones. So change 5 ones to 15 ones. 15 ones minus 7 ones equals 8 ones. Write 8 in the ones column. In the second step, subtract the tens. The number 9 had given 1 tens to the number 5. So it is left with 8 tens. 8 tens minus 5 tens equals 3 tens. Write 3 in the tens column. You have 3 tens and 8 ones left. So the answer is 38.